So students, today we will start the another method of operations of aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde and ketones. Before that already we have discussed method of operations of aldehyde and ketones from alcohols and from carboxylic acids, Rosenthal reactions, Stephan reactions, one by ozone and from hydrocarbons. Now here is by the hydrolysis of gem diamides. So in the previous class already we discussed in previous chapters discussed vicinal diamides and gem diamides. So what is the meaning of gem diamides? Gem diamides means carbon atom contain two halogen atom and same carbon atom, means two halogen atom present on the one carbon atom are known as gem diamides. जो कि हमारे पास टू हेलोजन एटम जो अटैच रहेंगे एक ही कार्बन पर, हमारे पास जेम डायलाइड्स होगा. When the hydrolysis of gem dialides, so it two OH group come at the that carbon atom. जहाँ पर हमारे पास क्लोराइड एटम थे वहाँ पर हमारे पास two OH group आएंगे and will become this carbon compound become unstable and a molecule of water is given out and aldehyde or ketone are formed. Just we'll see this by this equation CH3 CHCl2, then hydrolysis the presence of base, so here it will form this type CH OH and OH. This is the unstable compound. In previous chapter we discussed कि किसी भी कार्बन के पास दो या दो से अधिक OH group present होंगे, it will eliminate the water molecules. So in the these reactions it will eliminate the water molecules and what will get aldehyde CH3 CHO plus H2 acetaldehyde. This is the one reaction. Or you can take this is another example CH3 CH2 CHCl2. This is the another reaction. Same is hydrolysis of this compound. So it will form unstable compound CH2CH OH OH. So from here it will eliminate water molecule and form CH3 CH2 and CHO plus H2. This is the one reactions. And इसी में यदि हमारे पास कार्बन एटम जिसके पास क्लोरीन एटम अटैच, it will come in between, in middle or in between, means जो हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन एटम्स हैं जेम डायलाइड्स present in the middle of the chain, तो वहां पर हमारे पास OH group जो होगा अटैच्ड होगा वो भी अनस्टेबल होगा, then eliminate the water molecules and will give the ketone. CH3 CHCl2 CCl2 then CH3, it will form BaOH. Hydrolysis of this compound it will form CH3 COH OH CH3. This will become unstable because two OH group attached on the one carbon atom. So it is eliminated the water molecule. This is the unstable. It will lose the water molecules and form ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3. So this is the one method of operations of aldehyde and ketones. Now next method of operation is from Grignard reagent. Now seventh one is from Grignard reagent. Reagent from Grignard reagent. Next method of operation from Grignard reagent. So hydrogen cyanide it will give aldehyde, whereas alkyl cyanide it will give ketone. So हमारे पास जो है हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड की रिएक्शंस करवाते हैं ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट से, then it will give a middle compound methyl magnesium iodide. So it will form CH3 CH double bond N MgI. Then hydrolysis करते हैं आप, when you hydrolyze this one in the presence of acid, so it will form CH3 CHO plus NH3 plus NgOH. This is the product. This is the one product of this compound. Here it will form acetaldehyde. मीन्स हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड ट्रीटेड होगा ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट से, हमारे पास एसिटाल्डिहाइड फॉर्म होगा। यदि आप एसिड अल्काइल साइनाइड यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास जो कंपाउंड फॉर्म होगा इट विल फॉर्म बाय दिस कंपाउंड इज कीटोन, so it will form CH3 C double bond N MgI, CH3 double bond इसको होगा, then here is 2s2 H plus, so here you get CH3 C double bond O plus NH3 then MgOH I, basic magnesium hydroxide iodide. This is the preparations of ketone. ऐसे एरोमेटिक जो है, आप लोग एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड जो है वो ये फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, लाइक हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड treated with phenyl magnesium iodide. So here you will get C6H5 CH double bond N MgI. Hydrolysis of this compound, here you will get C6H5 CHO plus NH3 MgOH. This is the another one. Now from मिथाइल साइनाइड हम लोग यहाँ पर यूज करते हैं C6H5 फिनाइल साइनाइड प्लस CH3 MgI. So in this way it will form C6H5 CH3 C6H5 CH3 C double bond N MgI, then same it is H2O H plus. So here you will get acetophenone. Here you will get acetophenone. C double bond O NH3 then MgOH I. This is the another method of preparation of aromatic aldehyde and ketones as well as आपके पास aliphatic aldehyde and ketones. Other method of preparations of aromatic aldehydes वो है आपके पास by the oxidation of methyl benzene जिसे आप लोग toluene बोलते हो. So when toluene is oxidized in the presence of chromium trioxide with acetic anhydride to form benzaldehyde diacetate, then further hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali or maybe acid, dilute acid, it will give benzaldehyde. So here is जो aldehyde form हो रहा है, aldehyde is not oxidized to carboxylic acid because हमारे पास जो acetic anhydride है, it is behave as a or prevent the oxidizing of aldehyde into carboxylic acid. Just see the reactions. This is the toluene C6H5 CHO in the presence of chromium trioxide with acetic anhydride to form C6H5 CHOCO CH3 OCOCH3 and further आप लोग हाइड्रोलाइज कर रहे हो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिड और बेस अल्कली, एसिड और बेस और अल्कली बेसिस ऑफ एसिड और अल्कली. सो आपके पास जो फॉर्म होगा वो बेंजोएट फॉर्म होगा C6H5 CHO प्लस 2CH3COH. सो यहाँ पर आपके पास बेंजोएट फॉर्म हो जाएगा एंड यू आर लेफ्ट CH3COH. सो इट इज अ बेंजोलिडिन diacetate. So formation of benzaldehyde diacetate is the prevent the oxidation of aldehyde into carboxylic acid acidic group में. So this is the another method of preparations जिससे बोला जाता है हमारे पास Itard reaction. This is another important reaction. This is the Itard reaction. So another method of operations of aromatic aldehyde is the toluene is oxidized with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide. So a brown complex is formed which is separated and then it is hydrolyzed to give aldehyde. This is the reaction I am writing here. C6H5 CS3. This is the toluene. It is oxidized in the presence of chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 in the presence of CCl4 or CS2. So it will form C6H5 CH brown compounds form OCrCl2 OH OCrCl2 OH brown complex. Then S2O2 H plus ion. So it will form benzaldehyde. This reaction is important reaction because here it is this reaction is known as Itard reaction. It's called Itard reaction. Reaction is known as Itard reaction. Itard reaction means when toluene is treated with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfides, तो हमारे पास ब्राउन कॉम्प्लेक्स मिलेगा which is separate out, then it is hydrolyzed with dilute acid, तो हमारे पास aldehyde फॉर्म होगा. Short, if you want to write in short, you can write in